Hey everyone, and welcome back. Long time no see, and that's because I've been moving and haven't had a lot of time to make videos. I was moving continents actually, so quite a significant move. Anyway, I've been making a lot of Ricoh GR III film recipes for in-camera JPEGs on this channel, and I have to admit something, I got a little bored making those, and the reason is not because I fell out of love with the camera, but because the Ricoh gives you some options for flexibility, right? But it doesn't give you like total control like you would have in Lightroom. And I missed that. And so what I did in this video was I created a preset that I'd be able to give away. And this can be applied to a JPEG or a RAW file, whether from the Ricoh GR III or some other camera, right? I wanted to create a look like that. And one thing about this preset is I applied this preset and I didn't make any other changes within Lightroom. So I wanted it to be as close to a film recipe as it could possibly get, but to have a little bit more flexibility. And I wanted to give it away to you, all of you who have supported the channel, and maybe some of you who are coming across the channel for the first time. So here's the recipe. I don't have a name for it yet, but that'll be in the title. Here are the photos that I've taken with it, and at the end of the video, I'll show you how you can get it for free. Thanks everybody for tuning in. I hope you liked it. I enjoyed the way that the color palette came out on this one. If you want it, there's a link down in the description to my website, and you will be able to download the preset there and put it into your Lightroom, use it on your phone, whatever. And it's totally free, no strings attached. So I hope you enjoy it, and let me know what you think. I've got some other ones in the works that hopefully I'll be able to release soon. So until then, guys, have a good day.